All right, we're back with another color testing video. So, sitting here, been trying to figure out this color with the slime. Had picked up this Chef Master food coloring set. There's like 12 in there. I think I paid like $20 for it. It's not a bad price. But we'd done this a couple weeks ago and continuing to kind of test these colors and wanted to kind of show you guys what we're seeing with the white base. So I got a white base here, and today we are going to do the neon bright green, and we'll do some red. Maybe do some Christmas colors is what I'm thinking here. See what it kind of turns out to. So let's split this real quick. This is really not too bad. It'll be interesting. This is another white base we made. This is got some shaving cream in it though, so it's a little grainy because it's been sitting for about a week. But that's not too bad. Not too bad. Oh. Make sure you got your gloves on when you're doing this because this stuff will get everywhere. And a little bit goes a long way. So we will like 2 drops, maybe even just like 1 drop. Yeah, let's mix the red in first. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I was hoping to get a nice pull there. It's slowly coming in. It's almost like a pink, so you might need to throw a little more red in there because I want to see how dark we can actually get it. Huh. Yeah, let's throw. I said a little goes a long way. I think it's so this base has a little bit of shaving cream in it, so that might be a reason. But that's why we're testing, because we're not sure. Try to figure it all out. It is definitely a pink. It's not really a red. It's a nice looking pink, but maybe do like a bubblegum slime out of this. Huh. Honestly, not what I was expecting. I was thinking it was going to be a little darker. So, but hey, you know, it is what it is. So let's try the green. Maybe we'll put a little tad more bit in there. It doesn't take a lot. Does not take a lot. I really like the color testing because, I mean, perfect example. I thought that was going to be like a dark red. It's actually like a pink. So better to find out now than try to do a big old batch and you're like, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is like a lime green. Huh. I actually like this color. Again, I was thinking it was going to be a little darker, but it could just be the base that we made here because we put some shaving cream in this one, so it's a little more fluffier than our regular thick and glossy base that we have. Sorry, there was like a little speck. I had to get the speck that was like bothering me. Here, let's throw maybe just a tad more green in there. just to see if we can get it to darken up a little bit. I don't think it will, honestly. I really don't. Oh, it's like all over the table now. Okay. Well, it's darkening a little bit. No, this is really cool, actually. I mean, you know, maybe some like lemon lime. Ooh, that would probably be pretty cool. Maybe like a yellow and a green kind of mixed with like a lemon lime topper. That would actually be pretty cool. Alright, so not too bad. Not too bad. Not what I was expecting. I'll be honest with you. Thought it was going to be a little darker. You know, but that's okay. So this was the Chef Master Neon Bright Green. And then we did the red, which definitely did not look like red. It is like bubblegum pink. It really is. All right, so if you watched the previous one, you know what we got to do at the end. We got to mix the two. We have to. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I just, like, so we're just going to drop this in. That's actually pretty cool. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's going to turn like a brown, though. It's going to turn a brown. You know. All right, there you go. So it looked better like 60 seconds ago than compared to what it is now. I mean, it's a nice brown. Yeah. But interesting on the red, it was more of a bubblegum pink. The green was more of a lime green. It was not a dark green. There you go, color testing with the Chef Master with our white base. White base, this one's a little different than our thick and glossy because this one's got the shaving cream in it. And that might be part of it too. So might have to try it with the thick and glossy just to see if I get a darker color. As always, we're having a great time doing this. We appreciate all the views, all the comments, all the likes. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video. We hope everybody has a great day. Thank you guys for watching.